Hello, I am Navratna Singh Rathore of class 10C. I am immensely glad to stand before you in order to elaborate everything about my exhibit which has been christened Manual Mobile Charger. This exhibit has been made by a team of two, myself and my companion Abhishek Gobhar of class 12 under the guidance of Mr. D. Mulli, PGT Physics. Everyone knows that electricity has an important role in modern society. It is the most convenient and controllable form of energy. However, due to its certain drawbacks, it cannot be effectively used by everyone. Taking this fact into consideration, this exhibit has been designed. Before explaining further, I would like to confess the fact that this exhibit has been made only and only from waste materials. It has not cost me even a penny. It has been made from a pair of gears which have been taken from the timer of an old washing machine and an electric generator which has been taken from an old vehicle. I got both of these materials from a waste material shop. This charger charges our mobiles when we rotate it and you can see the screen of the mobile displaying charging. But the question that arises is, why does it happen? It happens because the handle, this is the handle of the charger, it has been connected to a pair of gears. A gear is a rotating machine part with cut tool which mesh with another rotating machine part in order to transmit torque. The handle of the charger has been connected to a larger gear which in turn has been connected to a smaller gear. Even a slight movement in the larger gear will lead to a very huge movement in the smaller gear. This smaller gear has been further connected to the armature of the electric generator. So the concept is very simple. Rotate the handle in anti-clockwise direction. It will lead to a movement of both the gears, which in turn will rotate the armature of the electric generator. It will charge my mobile and I can talk to anyone on this earth. This charger can be used during all the natural calamities. I can also use it during the frequent power cuts from which we often suffer in Chennai. I can also put it in its pouch and travel to any part of the world because the only thing which I need to do is rotate the handle in anti-clockwise direction. It will charge my mobile and I can talk to anyone on this earth. When we calculate the amount of voltage developed by this charger, we find that this charger develops a voltage of a maximum of 12 volts at its maximum speed, whereas this electric generator develops a maximum voltage of 3 volts at its maximum speed. Here we come to a conclusion that this charger develops approximately 4 times the greater voltage developed by this generator. It happens because inside this mobile charger, the electric generator has been connected to a pair of gears. The principal advantage of a gear is reduced input whereas increased output. This is how the gears have been connected. So the principal advantage of a gear is reduced input whereas increased output. So the next time if anyone demands for a gear cycle or wants to lend it from you, don't say no, because the amount of force which we apply in a gear cycle is much less than the amount of force which we apply in an ordinary cycle to cover the same distance. I would also like to suggest the Government of India that even they can use the same mechanism of connection of a pair of gears to an electric generator to produce more and more electricity to feed the hungry population of a country which is demanding for electricity. Thank you.